Hi, this is Crucible, a multi-agent AI workspace that helps you pressure test technical ideas before you build them. Most AI tools are good at summarizing a project, but they usually stop there. Crucible goes a step further. It creates a live debate around your project so you can see the strongest arguments for and against it. The problem we wanted to solve is that project review is often shallow or inconsistent. If you ask a single model to evaluate a complex idea, it tends to give you a polished answer that can hide uncertainty, skip trade offs, and miss important risks. Human review is better, but it takes time and it's hard to scale every time you want feedback. Crucible is designed to make that process feel more like a real technical review meeting. The user uploads one or more project files, like a design document, a specification, or supporting project material. Crucible extracts the content, generates a panel of AI agents, and runs a live adversarial debate between them. The goal is not to summarize the project, it's to challenge it. Here's how the app works. First, we're going to upload our project files. Here we have test documents, rocket test document, and rocket.object. Now, if we click Analyze Document, in a few seconds, the AI will analyze the document and it'll return agents related to it and a project summary. So as you can see, it's analyzed. We have a project summary, we have extracted document text, and we have our 5 agents. Now, the agents are specific to the document you give it. Since I gave it a document about rockets, the agents are aerothermal dynamics, structural integrity, and propulsion systems. We also have a devil's advocate and champion that are hard coded to be there. Okay, now we can start running debate. As the debate is going on, I will talk about the key concepts. Now, the first key concept we're demonstrating is a multi-agent system. Crucible does not rely on one model to do everything. Instead, it splits the review into different roles. There's always a failure advocate that argues a project will not work, and a success advocate that argues it will work. And then additional specialist agents generated from the actual content of the uploaded files. This makes the discussion more balanced, more realistic, and more useful. Second, we have deployability. Crucible is built as a Flask web app with a static frontend and a backend API, so it can run locally or be posted publicly as a real demo. That means someone can actually open the app, upload a file, run the debate, and see the verdict without needing a complicated setup. Third, we have security. API keys are not hard coded into the source code. Instead, they can be set through environment variables or entered at runtime, which keeps secret out of the repository and makes the project safer to share and deploy. Also, there is no database, meaning sensitive files have no chance of getting leaked. Okay, so for the debate, as you can see, each of the agents are talking to each other and they're challenging each other's ideas. Now, we chose 3 rounds. The first round, we have opening statements, we have cross examination number 1, cross examination number 2, and we've just started cross examination number 3. Now, as you can see, after cross examination number 3, we have our final round and we have all the agents arguing at their most. Now, after devil's advocate, we're going to have champion, and now we have our final verdict. Now, the judge, based on all of the debate, has made this verdict. So, we have a short summary, we have the strengths, the risks, the actions, and the score. So, we got a 42 out of 100, which is not too good, which means we have to adjust and revise before actually building this project. Now, why does this matter? What makes Crucible different is that it doesn't just give a single answer and move on. It deliberately creates disagreement first, then turns that disagreement into a structured decision aid. That is useful for engineering reviews, product validation, hackathon judging, and early stage idea critique because it helps surface hidden assumptions before they become expensive mistakes. So the main idea behind Crucible is simple. Don't just summarize your project, debate it. It's an AI tool for turning project files into structured review process, helping users catch weak spots early and make better decisions before they build. Thank you.